Okay, it's February 3rd and volume 5. Are those supposed to have a protective cover over them? This part? I think they are. But it looks like the sensor is exposed, completely exposed, so I think it's supposed to have a protective thing, kind of like that. And some of those hardwired, line cord powered ones. Mark 7 one. Look at that in a bit. Still kind of interested in that Sunbeam, if it's still available, that is. Actually, I forgot. We were going to look at this. These. They look like the, Mark 6 that I have. Same design. Let's see. It's pretty much the same picture. Yeah. Just slightly angled. Here's the bat. It's got a bat. Dual power. Yeah. Battery backup. NiCad battery. Oh, that's cool. I wonder if it's still any good. And I wonder if a newer, like a lithium ion 9-volt would work in it. Continuous pulsating blare of the horn. I'll bet it's got a electronic one then. No, operation red light only. Battery recharging red light and green light. No AC power, red light and green light off. It's cool. I'll put that in my watch list too. And where's the collection? There it is. There we go. So that's another one that's pretty interesting. Okay, it's the 6th. That's cool. Last night I actually had a dream that I was at our salvage and they had a whole bunch of different detectors, system detectors, like a Chemtronics heat detector and a couple 2400s. Like that. But that one doesn't have the base. So I'll get a 2400 sometime. There's that again. There's a 2400 with base. Okay, it's the 7th. Super Bowl Sunday. No. Those Gentex units. It's a hardwired one. You've seen that, because I've got one like that. Okay, it's the 13th. Got tricked by that before. Well, there's a code 1. CD2. You probably recognize that, because that's like what I have. So I think mine's a different model number. Maybe it isn't, but I thought mine was like CD14 or something. Just that. Might take me a while to find. I gotta find it. Actually, it didn't. Thankfully, right here. Yeah, see? Mine's a CD32. See? Right there. So, I don't know if that's like a hardwired only variant. Go back up to that. Don't mind that. I've been playing GTA 5 and then because of my, poor vision, I can't see the little teeny dot, aiming dot, on the screen, so I added that there. Anyways. That almost looks like a mechanical horn there. I think it is actually. Yeah, it is. See? You can see it. So that's basically the same, the Code 1 equivalent of the Firex FXW, like 1A or whatever that was. So that's cool. Think about that one. Okay, it's the 16th. Once again, missed yesterday because we were in Rochester. Here's one of those. That's cool. Not really anything I'd be interested in this point in time, but yeah, you'll see it by now. But episode 6 of my thrifting videos is going to be up finally. I have to redo it completely. I had to redo it completely because something got corrupted originally, and the video started flashing on and off, and a couple times the rendering would just freeze. So, oh, that looks. What the heck is with that button? It's a lot smaller. I want the photoelectric one. To 12 Dachshund? What? What the heck is Dachshund? What the heck? Well, it's right here. That's right here in Minnesota, so who knows what Dachshund is? Something relating with Dachshund? Anyways. Well, I was looking at this closely. FXSDBO. Never heard of that. But then, Firex AK. That's weird. When I looked up Dachshund, there's a medication called Dachshund. It's like an anti-acne medication. Then there's a dog breed called Dachshund, like a dachshund. So, this is pretty darn interesting, I tell you what. I've never heard of Firex AK before. Maybe it did come from like a foreign country, but it's still 120 volts. So let's see if there's a alone use or interconnect use. Is kind of a weird thing. I wonder if it's actually like UL listed. Here's the unit itself. Yeah, see, it's got that small button. Here's the back of it. Oh, that's the battery. That was a label. Well, see, there is no label. That is interesting. Looks like there's like a... Yeah, this is like some type of weird... That's weird too. The instructions are just kind of odd. Well, anyways, it's pretty cool. Might think about that. Alright, it's the 17th. There's that one. Jeez, that's neat. There's a Honeywell. I think we saw that before, though. Pretty sure we have. There's a decon. We saw that one too. Even not the exact same one, but we saw one. Like it. Back in October, late October, early November. And that stuff we've seen, I do believe. Okay, it's 23rd. You might notice I have my big fan going there. That's because I was just playing my drums, so work up a sweat, as any drummer knows. Little travel safe detectors. A couple unique ones. Smoking heat detector. Naval Shipment Engineering Center. That's cool. I wonder if that's one of those, like the F53. It can shock you if you're not careful. Well, now it smoothly scrolls. Okay, it's the 25th. Look at that one. That's cool. A little shocker detector, though. Huh. Radio Shack ones, made by Generation 2, but you hook it up, you put it in a light bulb socket. I've got one that does 4.6. They're old. 90s, I'd say. Okay, it's the 27th. That base is messed up there. You know, it kind of looks like a smile. Smiley face. Well, there's another Captain Kelly. Just that again. Yeah, I might just go for that. Make a video on it, see what it can respond to. Is that the, nope, addressable. There's an ad for the emergency calling system like I have. If it would actually open it. See, there's a SA300 first alert. So that's pretty cool. Again, you've seen that in my videos. Okay, it's the 29th. Missed yesterday because my brother was here, his wife. And by the time they left and I got home, it was in the evening, so I just decided to wait. Was there another one of those things? Oh wait, no, that's just the battery powered one, I think. Still trying to sell those. Oh, not much, but it's a motion detector thing, not a smoke detector thing. Oh boy. Well, it was one of those again. Or is that the same one? Looks like the same one or the same seller. Anyways, the end of this page. Let's go to the next one. Oh, that's new. Unique. The entire escape route. I'm sure. There we go. See, that's a light that you hook up to the response to the audio from the alarm. Kind of like the code 1 or the child locator. Pretty cool. Okay, it's March 1st. You might hear that rumbling there doing the sidewalks. We had snow last night. There you can hear it. Twelve 24-volt unit for an alarm system. And that one still. It's March 2nd. There's one of those again. Light alive detectors. Okay, it's the 4th. Fire sentry. Oh, there's a 79R. Expensive, but was that ADT again? Think about getting that sometime.
What's the item? 16103-166. Number 7.
Oh, that 79R, I don't see anything. I remember I was going to get one, but then they found out that the bracket tab was broken. That's a cool one. There's some Firex ones. Now that I finally noticed them. The itch. Oh, they're the. It's like the battery backup version. Looks like it, yeah. You can tell by the brackets there. Those little tabs right there. Okay, it's like, what, the 11th? 10th. 10th. What the heck? That worries me, all these newfangled things that show up. Designed for ears. That's kind of unique. Yeah, well listed. And the safety alert does make detectors for RV use, which are well listed. I haven't seen the battery powered one because I found a couple in my Thrifting Chronicles video a while back. Okay, it's the 11th. Here's a code 1. I think it's a battery powered one. Well, it is a battery powered one because it's a portable travel detector. Now, there we go. There's one of those. AM/FM companion. With an old Amway. Okay, it's the 13th. Sunday the 13th. That's cool. I haven't seen one of those in a little while. I did. I know, that one might have one of those. Not sure if you saw those fire exit detectors, but I placed a bid on them. That thing again. Well, there's a probe. See, that's one on one, I think. Yep. And there's a Black & Decker professional smoke alarm. Okay, it's the 14th. One of those fire exit detectors, you'll see that. And I think this will be the last day for this set, too, so. Who's that book? That's pretty cool. I'll get that sometime. Pretty cool. Maybe not that particular copy of it, but, you know, that book. It was basic for a game well. I wonder if it has the brackets too. Well, there's the detectors too, actually. All he really needs is the base. Or the bracket, I should say. The base. And I don't see that. But it still could be there. New Age server alarm has some of those, but it doesn't have the bracket, so that's what I was trying to find out, if it had the brackets. Probably wouldn't need a whole bunch of detectors though, so I was thinking of sharing that with it, but then I saw that there was a whole bunch of detectors too. And I think this is stuff we've seen yesterday, so yep.